Hi, today learn how to tracking a from submission by custom event in Google Analytics 4 by Google Tag Manager. Before this, I introduce myself. I am an ICER. I'm a web analytics expert in Google Analytics 4, Google Tag Manager, server side tracking, also Facebook conversation API, also expert in Facebook and Google Ads. If you need any kind of assistance in this area, you can contact with me. So let's start our topics. How to create a custom event in Google Analytics 4 by Tag Manager. Today we'll tracking this from submission by custom event. This is my client website. My client want to track this from by custom event because we cannot track this from by URL because this from has many steps. When user come to this website, the user complete many steps, and when user submit his mail address, my client want to track this as a conversion, also a event in Google Analytics 4. So we have to find out when user give a mail address which event created, and we have to find out in Google Tag Manager. So first we have to go to Google Tag Manager in preview option. This is also called a debugging mode. Then we have to again reload this page, and again starting from submission. When you start the from submission and go to step by step, here you can see the start from. This is where you click here, you can see there is a data layer push event. This event name is from start. It means when a user start this from, this event created. So we have to find out when user give a mail address what event created. So we continue and let's check and complete this step. So no event, nothing event created. So when I give my mail address, you see in Google Tag Manager another event will create it. So I write a mail address. Here you see there is another event. I find this data layer push event, this event name. By this event we have to track this from. When user give mail address, we track this conversion by this custom event. So again we come to Google Tag Manager and create a new tag. First we connect Google Tag Manager with Google Analytics 4. We create a Google Analytics 4 configuration, set up a new tag, G for base code, also trigger also all paste. Now save, then submit the code, J for base code. Now we have to create the conversion track, event tracking. Our tag name is quiz from submission. Now we have to tag configuration is J for event, and set up the configuration tag J for base code. Then we set up event name. My event name, I want to, my event name is quiz from submission. Now what is I also event and value, right? The value is custom event. Here our trigger, first we write our trigger name, quiz from trigger. Now we have to find out custom event. Where is custom event? Yes, there. When the user submit the mail address, we got a custom event. We set here it is a trigger, and which custom event we set the URL. It contains where the trigger, this URL. Now save. Now we have to publish this tag quiz from submission. These are, now we have to check in again preview mode that our created tag is fire. So we again complete this from. So from start event, but my tag not fire, quiz from submission, this tag is not fire. So when user give mail address, then we check again. When I give the mail address and finish the quiz from, then if my tag fire, that means our custom tagging is correct. So wait and check. Here our track is fire. So that means our custom event tracking is correct. So Goal Tag Manager send this information to Google Analytics 4 as a custom event tracking. It is also a conversion. So thank you watching my video, and if you need any kind of help you can contact with me about any kind of tracking, server side tracking, Google Analytics 4, Goal Tag Manager, Facebook API.